What's up, beauties? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have this little kind of fun video. I know, like the little Ratchet, classy Ratchet Bougie. I think I said it right. But I know that's going around, whatever. And so I was like, I have these pair of jeans that I kind of like from Walmart, and they're like the go get 'em girl shorts or whatever. So I said, well, let me use those pair of jeans, one pair of jeans, and just do a little fun video. One Ratchet, one classy, one bougie. I will have it in the link down below where you can find these jeans at. A lot of stuff I just had in my closet that I put together with the pair of jeans to make the outfit. Hello to everyone, and thank you guys for getting me up to like almost 4,000. So thank you guys. No, I have not been sick or anything. I just been kind of tired. I don't know why. Doing nothing makes you tired. I don't know. So that's probably why you didn't see me last week. But I'm kind of back here. I'm trying to do a couple hauls. Just basically, I'm being lazy. That's all. But if you want to see me, I really wasn't that lazy because I was doing a lot of Instagram pictures. So if you go to 50 Shades of Beauty, you most likely is going to see me over there before you see me post a video over here. Or sometimes the video comes late from what I was wearing over there. But enough with the rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought it was kind of cute. I don't know, kind of cute, kind of fun to do. And without further ado, let's get on with this video.